The industrial equipment industry is undergoing a revolution. The purely transactional business of the past is being replaced by a service-based model. Machine reliability becomes very important to avoid loss of service revenues due to downtime. Think about the consequence of downtime of farm equipment, where an entire crop can be wasted if not harvested on schedule. At the same time, customers are looking for products that can perform ever more complex and smart functions. This means that equipment manufacturers must design and verify a wide variety of products meeting the short delivery schedule with minimum cost. CADSO provides us with technological solutions for the design, analysis, and management of our equipment. The SolidWorks portfolio helps us to conceptualize, create, validate, locate, manage, and transform our innovative ideas into excellent product design for the manufacturing of mining drilling equipment. Expensive physical tests and field failures can be minimized by leveraging the power of structural simulation roles within the 3DEXPERIENCE Works portfolio, leading to faster time to market. Embedded in the cloud-based 3DEXPERIENCE platform, the structural designer role enables users to quickly assess stresses and displacements for various load cases on individual parts and large complex assemblies alike. Engineers at ResMean can quickly set up linear static simulations directly on native SolidWorks CAD geometry of this boom assembly with minimal interaction. Additionally, the durability and mechanics engineer role allows engineers to assess structural reliability for fatigue failures. Engineering managers at ResMean can take advantage of lightweight visualization and collaboration capabilities on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform to review the latest CAD and simulation data, guide improvements, and approve final revision. We've been using SolidWorks to develop products for more than 10 years. This has enhanced our capabilities in designing machines and marketing them with a more collaborative environment in the company. In that time, we've gone from manufacturing 3 to 4 machines a year to more than 130. The structural mechanics engineer role brings advanced nonlinear static analysis capabilities for designers using SolidWorks to reduce elastomer residual stresses in industrial equipment components like rubber bushings and seals. In the case of this rubber bushing, alloy steel material is applied to the outer ring and the inner hub. A hyperelastic material is applied to the rubber part of the bushing. Multiple material behaviors can be combined together, such as elastic, plastic, thermal, and thermal structural expansion capabilities to capture the physics scenarios experienced by these components during the manufacturing and testing stages. Powerful restart capability allows users to choose results from a previously performed analysis as a starting point for a new analysis case. Results from 2 or more simulation scenarios can be compared side by side. Here, the designer is visually comparing field plots for displacements, stresses, and XY plots for force versus displacement stiffness response between the 2 rubber bushing designs. Let's take a look at another example. Omax is a water jet cutting machine manufacturer. Their abrasive water jet machines experience low and high frequency vibrations during operation, which could lead to breakdown. Automated FEM capability, offered by the Structural Performance Engineer role, enables users to focus more on engineering by automating redundant and unproductive tasks, such as mesh definition for every single part. The Contributing Shapes Manager works in conjunction with automated FEM to include and exclude components. The Contributing FEM's Manager helps to reference and reuse an existing mesh from a component level into the main assembly. The Advanced Implicit Dynamics Simulation capability helps engineers ensure the dynamic stresses are small and within linear range, while the tooltip displaces in a circular path. Insightful animations and engineering quantities can be superimposed for visualizing instant responses, as well as ensuring expected behaviors of the assembly, which is critical in achieving manufacturing precision. Key stakeholders at Omax can easily review structural performance data on a web browser and seamlessly collaborate within the fully connected environment of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. This digital continuity not only breaks silos, but also increases productivity significantly, thereby reducing design cycle times. With Simulia's structural simulation roles included in the 3DEXPERIENCE Works portfolio on the cloud, you can reduce prototyping and warranty costs, enhance brand value and product portfolio, and accelerate innovation and time to market.